Good morning, everybody. It is time to work on the Chevy. It's been a long time, so I'm gonna do a little under seat action here. Got my trauma bag here and some junk. But what we're gonna do is, due to the COVID virus, you might be doing a little more traveling and carrying some stuff you might want to lock up. So we put an order in to Tuffy, and I made a mistake of using a certain vendor, but we'll talk about them later and what I ordered from Tuffy. Alright, they really got that packed in there good. Is the under the seat safe, and you can store all kinds of things in there. And we have to be politically correct on what we say that we're going to put in there, but you guys all know it's long and it goes boom. Yep. So we're going to install this in the back of the Chevy and let you know what we think about it. And where's the bracket? One of the brackets is already finagled and damaged, but I think I can straighten it out. But just like everything else that you order, there's always got to be something broken, because that's the way society is today. So let's go ahead and start removing stuff from the truck. So let's give you my first impressions of the Tuffy Underseat Lockable box. It's about half the thickness of the other company out there, and it's about half the price. This was only $400. The other one is $900. It's fairly stout. I don't think anybody's going to really bust into this. Got some nice locks on it. Weighs about 60 pounds. It's got a little rubber proof gasket on it. The locks come with a fairly decent set of keys. They don't look like it's going to be easily pickable. There are a few dents and dings. I got a dent over here. I got a dent on the other side up here. And one of my brackets on the truck is also tweaked. So what they say is these are going to go under the back side outside of the rear seat, and then they bolt down to the tool box, and then you can put the box right here in the seat, and that gives you extra storage that's lockable for whatever items that you might like to put in there. I do like the fact that you can open both sides. So we're going to go ahead and slap this in the truck. So we've got the two brackets mounted. It's basically a real simple carriage bolt system. Goes on the inside with some metal nuts with plastic spinners on them. I finger tightened them because obviously there's going to be some adjustment we need to do. Now we're going to come up here, get the sockets out, and remove that bolt. And then there's another bolt on that side, and it just bolts in, and then we're done. I got about 3 minutes out of this video, and we're getting ready to put it in the truck. So very, very, very easy, simple so far. So lift it up in the truck. Just slip them brackets on the back there. There's that one, and you got the other one on that side, and then you're going to put the factory nuts back on them. And this gives you your storage for whatever you want to put in here, and the seat comes down and covers it really nice, so you're not even going to notice it's here, maybe here, but you know who's been in the back seat of my truck? Nobody. I think I've had my kids in the truck one time, and that's not going to matter. What I was really happy with, because I thought I was going to lose all this space back here, because I keep baseball hats and tennis shoes and some extra clothes, and then that's where your floor jack goes, which is absolutely useless for me because I've got the 37s on the truck. But yeah, let's go ahead and bolt this down, and I think we're just about done. I really, I mean, that's nice. That's not coming out of there. Totally hidden. Definitely worth the $400 I spent for it. All right, let's bolt this up and finish her up. Alright, so 5 minutes into it since I took it out of the box. There's your finished product. Lift up the seat. You've got this side that's available for lockable storage. It is in there. I mean, I'm really tugging on this thing and it's in there. It's really nicely secured. It's fairly thick. It'll do exactly what I wanted to do. Still have a little bit of storage in there. Let's go over to the other side. Like I said, I got a little ding, but hey, whatever. And I really like the fact that this one has the ability to open on both sides. So you can put small things that go boom in here, and then you can put long things that go boom on the other side. So you go down, and that's exactly the way it works. Just a little bit of loss of space right there, but never ever needed it. Alright, that's my review and install of the Tuffy. There it is, Tuffy. Under the seat locker. And definitely worth the $400. Like I said, I was going to go with the $900 one, which is the same safe that I have in the center console of the truck, which is where I do keep my personal things that go boom. This would just be for going to the range or something. And I didn't really need to invest $1,000 in some locker that's twice as thick. I think this is going to work just fine for what I need it for. Your mileage may vary. If you're going to keep something long in your truck 24/7, you might want to opt for the thicker gauge one and spend the extra $500. But for me, I am very happy with this product. And you know, it did come in with a little bit of damage, but I'm not really concerned about it. Simple install, guys. I got, with me ambling on here, we got 7 minutes on the video, and it's unboxed and installed on a beautiful, hot, muggy, sunny South Florida, Miami day. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and tell me what you think about the Tuffy box. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for everything you do for me.